Bear's Magical Storybook.
Hello, my dear friends. Gather around because today I have a special story for you. It's about a clever monkey and a sneaky crocodile. This story will teach us all about the importance of thinking wisely and not being easily fooled.
Yay, we love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time, near a big river, there lived a clever monkey named Miko. Miko loved to jump from tree to tree, and his favorite tree was one that grew delicious, juicy fruits right by the riverbank. But little did he know, in that same river lived a crocodile named Crocky, who had his eyes on Miko.
Oh no, what did Crocky want?
Crocky was very hungry, and he thought that Miko would make a tasty meal. So, one day Crocky came up with a plan. He swam up to the tree where Miko was eating and said,
"Hello, Miko. I've heard so much about your sweet fruits. Can I have one?"
Did Miko give him a fruit?
Miko was very kind, so he picked a big, juicy fruit and threw it to Crocky. Crocky ate the fruit and pretended to be very friendly. "Miko," he said,
"I'd like to invite you to my home for a meal. I live on an island in the middle of the river, and I have lots of fruits there."
Was Crocky really being nice?
"No, my friends. Crocky was trying to trick Miko. He thought if he could get Miko to the island, he could catch him easily. But Miko was very clever. He suspected that Crocky might have a different plan.
Oh no, what did Miko do?
Miko smiled and said,
Thank you, Crocky. I'd love to visit your home, but how will I get there? I don't know how to swim.
"Don't worry," Crocky replied.
"You can ride on my back, and I'll take you there safely."
Did Miko go with Crocky?
Yes, Miko climbed onto Crocky's back, and they started to cross the river. But halfway across, Crocky couldn't hide his excitement. "Miko," he said with a sly grin,
"I'm actually taking you to my home to eat you. I've heard that the heart of a monkey is very delicious."
Oh no, how did Miko escape?
Miko stayed calm. He quickly thought of a plan. "Oh, Crocky," Miko said, pretending to be surprised.
Why didn't you tell me earlier? I left my heart back in the tree. If you want it, we'll have to go back and get it. That was very clever of Miko.
Yes, it was. Crocky, not realizing he was being tricked, quickly turned around and swam back to the tree. As soon as they reached the bank, Miko jumped off Crocky's back and climbed high up into the tree, safe and sound.
Yay, Miko is safe.
Crocky realized he had been outsmarted, and he never tried to trick Miko again. Miko continued to live happily in his tree, enjoying his fruits and staying safe. And that, my friends, is how Miko taught us all that thinking quickly and wisely can help us out of even the trickiest situations.
What a beautiful story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. Remember, being clever and kind can help us in many ways. Now, let's all enjoy this lovely evening together.
Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.